Hello children, I hope you are good at your home. Now today I am going to explain you the syntax of CSS. So before starting the CSS syntax, first I would like to explain you syntax of the CSS divide into two sections. The first section name is selector and the second section is divide uh, name is declaration. Now come to the what is the mean of this selector. Selector are used to find HTML elements on their name, class and attributes and so on. Okay. Now as you have seen in your book given that selectors is used for in HTML giving attractive look. So now come to the declaration. Declaration contain one or more declaration contain one or more declaration and that is separated with the semicolon. As in your book given that each property has a name. Suppose that declaration also divide into two sections. First name is property and second name is divide known as the value. Okay, property and value. Declaration is separated with the help of semicolon and this declaration divide into two sections, property and value, and this property and value is separated with the semicolon. This property and value is separated with the colon. Okay, now in your book given that each property has a name and a value. Each property has a name and value. Suppose that property is color and value for color property is yellow, and suppose that font size is the property name and the value for font size is 10, 12, whatever you want to set the size of the font. Okay, and similarly property and value is separated with the same this colon. Okay, and a CSS declaration always ends with the semicolon. CSS declaration always ends with the semicolon, as I told you that, and in last declaration close with the curly braces. Okay, this type of curly braces. Now come to the definition of the property. What is the meaning of property? Property is a type of attribute in HTML like color, like border, like font size, font family and so on. Okay, and the value. Now come to the value. What is value? Value are assigns some value for the particular properties, like yellow value is for assigned for this color. Okay, and border, if suppose that here have select that border thickness of the border, so 4 point, so the border of the particular table or line is 4 pt, so this is the value for this border property. And if I talking about 12 pts point size, means font size property value is 12. Similarly if I am talking about font family, so times New Roman is the name of the font family. This is the value for font family. Okay, so this is the property name and this is the value for this property. Okay, now come to the actual format of the CSS. Now syntax of the CSS is selector, use the curly braces. Now use property 1 colon. Property 1 and value is separated with the help of colon. Now when your one declaration will be complete, use the semicolon for separation, and now use second property 2. Again colon is used for separating property value 2. Now use the semicolon, and now again if you want to set any other property, use the property 3 colon and value 3. Now close the curly braces. So this is the perfect format of the CSS. This is the perfect format of the CSS. Let's understand with the help of an example. This one is understand, this syntax is understand with the example. Now the example is given here. Now H1, as you know that this H1 is used for heading 1 in HTML. Okay, so here I defined H1 as for selector. Okay, now use the open curly braces. Now property name is color and colon is used for separation and the value for color is yellow. You can choose any other color, and semicolon is used for separation of first declaration. Now I have choose one another properties for declaration like font size. Okay, and use colon for separation and use here 14 pixels px. Okay, now again use the semicolon for separation. Now close this curly braces. So this is the example of the CSS syntax. Okay, I hope you have cleared this thing very well. Thank you for listening.